Well, very exciting to have so many people here in person. We are really in a post-COVID world now. So I'll sort of kick off proceedings. So, ina mana, ina reo, ina karanga maha o te wā, tihe Māori ora. Haere mai ki te here nā waka o te whanganui o Tāra. Tēnā koutou katoa. So it's a real delight to be able to welcome everyone here today to this jointly hosted workshop from the Reserve Bank and the Treasury on fiscal and monetary policy in the wake of COVID-19. And it's a pleasure to be able to soon introduce to you Dr. Carolee McLeish. Carolee and I have got to know each other through our role on the Monetary Policy Committee and our mahi-tahi together with the Reserve Bank and Treasury managing COVID and beyond. And we thought, what better way to show our connectedness than to have a central banker bless this workshop with the Treasury karakia. So here goes, and feel free to join in at the end. So, ko te tai whakaronga, ko te tai whakararo, ko te tai o nā puki nā rangatira, ko te tai taukarau, ko te tai tonga, ko te tai huaruru, ko te tai rāwhiti, kia pikite ora, kia pikite kaha, pia tikite wairua. Whiti whakamoa kia tina, huie tai kie. So, the workshop is officially opened, and one of the reasons I really wanted to start with that Treasury karakia is that the first time that I heard this, I was on a panel about a month ago, and it's really a story about the tides of New Zealand, the tides from the north, the south, the east, and the west, and how they all contribute to the tides of the economy, and how it's the role of the Treasury as to have the skill, the wisdom, and the courage to advise government through those tides. And as a central banker, it immediately gets you thinking, well, we operate within these tides of the economy. What is our role as central bankers? Is the role of monetary policy to ensure that those tides, tend to land on 2% inflation and maximum sustainable employment? Is it that our macro-prudential and our prudential policies are designed to ensure the financial system has enough capital and liquidity that when the big tides wash in, the economy and the financial system is still sound? Is it that our work on financial efficiency and inclusion is about making sure that all of society has access to the lifeblood that the tides bring? So to me, it's a really great mechanism to get you thinking about the relationship and the interaction between the Treasury and the Reserve Bank. And as almost a coincidence of timing, very recently, Te Pūtea Mātua, we have refashioned our purpose statement, which is Toitu te ohanga, toitu te oranga. So to enable prosperity and well-being for all New Zealanders. And once again, to me, this reaffirms the common purpose of our two institutions around prosperity and well-being. It's just that we have different tools, different instruments, different areas of expertise, different governance structures to make the decisions that support this ultimate purpose. So that was a little paid advertisement for our new purpose statement. One little piece of housekeeping before I pass on. The other thing that strikes me about this is that, we've again borrowed the metaphor of the tides and the water. So, anyone who thinks that they're in a marine biology lecture at the moment, stay where you are, because, about to hand over to Carolee, who will bring us out of the metaphors and into the reality and practicalities of, fiscal policy in a post-COVID world. So Carolee will be here to provide effectively kick off the conference with her opening remarks, be followed soon after by Oscar Parkin, and Carolee will be around for questions through the morning break.